Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new payment method to Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've got a new credit card or debit card, and you want to go ahead and connect that to Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's hop into the Grubhub app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Payment, and then click on Add New Payment. So from here, you have a variety of different options. You can add Cash App, Credit Pay, Amazon Pay, or PayPal. But go ahead and choose your select payment type. So we're just going to click on Credit Card, enter your card number, billing zip code, CVC, and year expiration, and then click on Done. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new payment method to Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the